Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the gear and forcing a fresh connection. This resets pairing caches. First, charge both AirPods and case above 50% and bring them within 1 foot of your device. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off so they don't steal the handshake. Open the case, keep the lid open, then press and hold the rear setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears prior pairings and forces the AirPods into discoverable mode, ready for pairing. Once the AirPods are discoverable, you pair them and verify network settings that can block handoff. On iPhone, open Settings Bluetooth and select your AirPods. If a stale entry exists, choose Forget this device, then rescan. On Mac, remove the old AirPods entry in System Settings Bluetooth and pair again from the list. Make sure you restart your phone or computer and toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Also confirm the device uses the same iCloud account if you expect automatic device switching. This fixes many continuity failures. You finish by applying advanced fixes and doing an isolation test to find the root cause. Update your phone or computer OS and keep the AirPods firmware current by pairing long enough for updates to apply. Firmware mismatches can block connections. If problems persist, reset network settings on the host device to remove corrupted Bluetooth stacks, then repair from scratch. Finally, test the AirPods with a second phone or laptop. If they connect there, the issue is the original host. If not, contact Apple or schedule service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.